Hello everybody, I am Swati Ashok Mahajan. Hello everybody, I am Swati Ashok Mahajan, Assistant Professor in Srimati Danpur Mahila Mahavidyalaya Jalna, Head of the Department of Home Science. Today I am explaining on my study ergonomically designed sink. Ergonomically means scientifical study on relationship between the man and environment. Introduction of this study. Ergonomical is the scientific design of relationship between the man and his working environment. The term environment includes tools, equipments, and method of working, abundant condition, physical environment, and also organization of work. Ergonomically designing of tools and equipment is based on anthropometric measurements, psychological capacity, physiological capacity, and limitations of the worker, muscular pain, and the time taken for the work. Objectives of this study: to find out the existing design of kitchen and the terms of different centers. Second, to measure the existing dimension of kitchen, sink, and anthropometric measurements of selected woman. Third, designing of sink for dishwashing on the basis of ergonomically design and the basis of anthropometric measurements of selected woman. Ergonomically analysis of design sink for dishwasher. Research methodology for this study is conducted in Jalna city of Marathwada region in Maharashtra. Samples taken 200 samples of homemakers. 40 homemakers were selected for the physiological cost. The development of work plan is two ways. It is survey and experimental. In survey, questionnaire and using body map, and experimental anthropometric measurements of sink dimension, posture analysis of woman, and psychological cost of woman. Also measure that is rate of prospective exertions. The prospective exertions is severity is very high exertion is 5 scale, and very light exertion is 1 scale. Also by the help of severity using the body map, 5 is the very severity and 1 is the very mild. And by using anthropometric measurements, the homemaker height and measurements can be taken. Other measurements can be taken with the help of flexible measuring tape. Another tool is used is weighing machine. The portable weighing machines was used to record the weight of the homemaker. Goniometer. The posture analysis of homemaker can be done by using goniometer. Another equipment can be used to heart rate. To measure the heart rate of homemaker, this instrument can be used. One instrument is used for wristwatch, another is the measuring heartbeats. For calculating the energy expenditure, formula can be used. Energy expenditure kilogram per meter is equal to 0.59 into HR beat per minute minus 8.72, where the HR means heart rate. Physiological cost of working. Physiological cost can be calculated by using the heart rate and energy expenditure. Physiological workload. Physiological workload was estimated as per the table. Serial number, physiological workload, heart rate, beat per minute, energy expenditure, joules per minute. Very light is up to 90, in energy expenditure up to 5. Very high is 136 to 150, and energy expenditure 12.6 to 15. Physical fitness also calculated by using the BMI index. VO2 max per minute also calculated. The consumption of oxygen. This formula can be used. Selection of utensils for designing the sink, ergonomically based sink. The ergonomically designed sink will modified like this in the lab with the depth of one design is with the depth of 18 centimeter sink depth, and other design is the 12 centimeter sink depth. Using statistical analysis, mean, standard deviation, percentile, correlation coefficient were analyzed, and peer test, t-test also used. This is the ergonomical design sink. It is a different part of the sink. This is the main sink which is used for study and evaluate the energy expenditure and body posture. Thank you for listening me.